You might remember us talking about the Catalyst 9200CX compact switch, the small, go-anywhere answer to connectivity. Today, I'd like to tell you about a different type of compact switch, the Catalyst 9300LM. Essentially, the mini version of the Catalyst 9300L. Maybe your office workspace has reduced depth cabinets or lacks a traditional wiring closet. Or perhaps you would like a smaller satellite office that can provide the same services as your headquarters. Or hey, maybe you simply love the Catalyst 9300 series switches, but they're a bit too big for your rack. If any of that applies to you, then this is the switch you've been waiting for. The Catalyst 9300LM is a shallow depth version of the Catalyst 9300L Ethernet switch. It has the same Cisco UADP 2.0 ASIC, the same open iOS XE operating system, and the same features and functionalities like 60-watt universal power over Ethernet, 10 gig multi-bit for Wi-Fi 6 and beyond, and StackWise 320 for up to 320 gigs of stack bandwidth. Its security features include MACsec 256 encryption to identify and exclude unauthorized connections, and encrypted traffic analytics, which can identify suspicious behavior within encrypted traffic without decrypting it. It also supports onboard app hosting, including support for Cisco Spaces, Thousand Eyes, and Docker containers to make IT easier and more streamlined. The best part? For maximum operational simplicity and flexibility, the 9300LM can be deployed and managed using the same policies and configuration as the bulkier 9300L. No extra fiddling required. This isn't to say that there aren't a few differences. All Catalyst 9300LM models come with fixed 25 gig uplinks, as well as new high efficiency field replaceable power supplies and a front panel SSD slot for app hosting. All this functionality comes inside a form factor that is at least 6 inches shorter than a normal Catalyst 9300 switch, making it perfect to deploy in tight wiring cabinets, racks, or places where switch depth is a concern and real estate is at a premium. With these smaller switches, you can avoid the cost of replacing cabinets or the inconvenience of mounting the switch at an angle. As a result, this reduces downtime to the network. Cisco Catalyst 9300LM models enable the same uniform wired wireless policy enforcement, application visibility, flexibility, application optimization, and superior resiliency as the existing Catalyst 9300L full-size switches. So you can be sure you're not settling for less. There are 4 Catalyst 9300LM models that are specifically designed to not only replace, but exceed the role of the legacy Catalyst 3650 mini switch. There's a 48 port model featuring 60 watt UPoE, 8 ports of 10 gig mgig data, and 40 ports of 1 gig data. There's both 24 and 48 port models featuring 1 gig data and 60 watt UPoE, and there's a 48 port model with just 1 gig data per port. And all 4 of those have 4 ports for multi-rate 25, 10, 1 gig fixed uplinks. Whether you need to fit a switch into an already encumbered rack, or you need to set up a satellite location that's as effective as your HQ, the 9300LM will fit right in without compromising on compatibility or capability. Learn more at www.cisco.com/go/cat9300.